Hey everyone, this is Ryno from Team Chaos. Just wanted to bring y'all a deck profile today. Sorry we haven't put up a few videos in a while. Been a little busy. But like I said, I'm gonna put up a deck profile today. And let me know what y'all think. And if y'all think if there's any way I could run anything differently. Make it smoother or something. Let's go ahead and get this started. Obviously, Triple Magician. Sorry about the glare.
Is that better?
A little bit, yeah. Then obviously, Tour Guide Engine. 2 Tour Guide in the same game. I've seen a lot of people running Double Rabbit, but I think Triple's good. I don't see anything wrong with Triple. Triple Rat. Triple Shark, but I actually only have 2 at the moment. I'm working on getting the 3rd one. Then I main deck 2 Snowman Eater because it's funny and it makes people mad. That's the monster setup. Alright, now for spells. 1 Reborn. 1 Pot of Avarice. 1 Heavy Storm. Triple MST. I love Triple MST. 2 Pod Duality. And 2 Line Up Factory. I see everyone like run 3 and they're like, oh, run 3 of this, and I'm thinking it's not really that great of a card. None of the OTKs have anything to do with this. It's just like a +1. Alright, now on to the traps. 1 Starlight Road. 1 Torrential. I'm trying this, but Triple D Prison. It's been working pretty good so far. Oh. Then we got the Solemn Brigade. And for anyone who doesn't know what that is, it's 2 Warning and 1 Judgment. Then we got 2 Mirror Force. And then for the meta nowadays with all the exceeding, we got Triple Compulsory. Alright, that's the main deck. Now on to the extra. It's a little mixed up here. 1 Chrononaut. Where's the other one? 2 Utopia. Then to go on top of the Utopia is 1 Utopia Ray. 2 Leviathan Dragon. 1 Shockmaster. 1 Zenmeister. 1 Zenmighty. Very damaged Zenmighty. 1 Maestro. Thinking about switching this one out for something else though. 1 Mellow Melody. It's kind of like the level 3's Daigusto Phoenix, except he only targets melodies instead of winds. Melody, whatever, they're all Djinn something. 1 Zen mains. 1 number 30. 1 Butterfly Assassin. And then, since Gear Gears are supposed to be getting all big and stuff, 1 Come Here Tech Fortress. Alright, that's it for the extra. Let's go on to the side. one Thunder King, one Prohibition, one Soul Drain. Oh man, this card's been getting some big use lately. This shuts heretics down.
And Dark World and
Dark World's it only stops the snow affects a search and then graphics affect a pop. It doesn't. There's summoning conditions. It doesn't stop that. 2 Gemini Imps. Two Effect Railer. 2 DD Crow. Reason for this one. 2 Noblemen Across Out. This one also shuts down. This one shuts down Gigi. It's pretty bad. For those just wind up mirror matches. 2 Mexi, and then to go along with my Chimera Tech Fortress, 2 Cyber Dragon. Alright, that's the extra side and main deck. Let me know what y'all think. If there's anything else I could run in it, anything I could run differently, or something you think that I should take out, let me know and I'll give it a try. Oh, and one more little thing. I don't know if anyone's heard yet, but I don't know who's all heard, but for those of you who watch this video, the Prophecy Destroyer 10 contents have been revealed, and it is Infernity Barrier, Endless Decay, Photon Strike Bouncer, and Steel Swarm Roach. I will be picking up quite a few of those, mainly for the Roach. Since I don't run Heretics anymore, I don't need the Strike Bouncer. But I know a lot of people who would like to have it. Alright, it's Team Chaos signing off.